All right, now we're going to talk about LIFELINE Advance, our clear exterior top coat, which is available in gloss or satin. LIFELINE Advance extends the life of the finish system while adding depth and highlights to the appearance. It makes your exterior walls easier to keep clean and has the right permeability to keep the film breathable while repelling liquid water. In addition to enhancing the beauty of the finish, its advanced formulation imparts an extra measure of water repellency and ultraviolet resistance, along with mold and mildew protection to extend the life of your stain. LIFELINE Advance may be applied over existing LIFELINE stains, top coats, caulks, chinking, and other sealants. Do not use thinners. LIFELINE Advance is available in multiple sizes. We have a 5-gallon pail, a 1-gallon pail, and as always, we do have free samples. Surface preparation. All surfaces should be free of dirt, dust, mold, and mildew. If more than a week has passed since the surface was stained, we recommend washing down the logs with an appropriate cleaning solution such as log wash. And of course, you can contact any Perma-Chink Systems office for information about cleaning your logs. Do not use LIFELINE Advance on surfaces that have been brushed or rubbed with steel wool. If you do, rust spots may appear under the finish. Application. Stir thoroughly before and regularly during use. LIFELINE Advance may be applied with a brush or airless sprayer, and back brushing is required to avoid drips and runs to achieve optimum performance. As always, please take a minute, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really helps us out a lot. Thank you. Apply no more than 1 coat of LIFELINE Advance at a time. Dry and cure time will vary with the method of application, type of surface, age, and texture of wood. Typically, LIFELINE Advance will dry to the touch in 30 to 45 minutes, but complete cure requires 72 hours. We recommend that you make a test application on a small area to get a feel for the product before you start on an entire wall. Do not apply to hot surfaces or in direct sunlight. Do not apply when the surface temperature is below 40 degrees or above 90 degrees. LIFELINE Advance Gloss or Satin Clear Top Coat is designed to go over all LIFELINE exterior finishes. Since any LIFELINE exterior finish can be applied over an existing coat of LIFELINE Advance Gloss or Satin, future maintenance will be simple and easy to perform.